Tornado warning! Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for West Central Collin County in North Central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Holy.
At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hackberry or near Lake Lewisville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Oh my god.
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Frisco, Little Elm, and Prosper around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. McKinney around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
If this is gonna be confirmed, no!
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lewisville Lake. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.